Well, this is the last step of your cactus. Should be the third video, so you should have your pots finished and your cactus. We're going to do our prickles and background and a couple accessories today. So once again, open up your instructions in Chrome. It should already be kind of loaded. One little helpful tip: if you can't get it to load, there's one little simple trick that you can just type in cute Cactus Illustrator, and then it should be the first website that you can click on. I know you're probably thinking, why did Miss Wenger have us type it in? But if one person types it in, then we don't have to worry about it being the wrong address. So I'm going to scroll down. I've done the eyes. Remember, it should be half of your screen, so you can just hover over and not have to click back and forth. I'm going to open up Illustrator. I'm going to find my file so that I can find my saved cactus. Be patient once again. Press OK if it prompts you. Open Recent. Remember, you can always go to File, Open, or Open Recent. Okay, if this does not appear. As long as it says Illustrator, Illustrator is open. So don't click here and think that Illustrator started to open and then didn't finish, because if you just come down here and click one time, you should be able to find it. Should have my cactus. So step 1, draw the prickles. Delete the fill color and set the stroke color. So at this point we want this stroke color, because we're going to be making lines, we want it, if you double click, we want it to be set, and then we want the fill color, because it's not really a shape if we're drawing a line, we want that to be set at none. So mine looks like this right here, matches that. It can be any color. They give you the colors if you want it to be perfect. And then up top here you have your stroke panel. Okay, so you can change the width of it. I know it says PX and this is going to say PT. That's totally fine. And then using the line segment tool. If you don't have the stroke in window, you can always go down and press stroke here. Then what you want to do is use the line segment tool. Now if I hold this down, it could be on any number of those tools. So just count down 1, 2, 3, 4, and you'll have your line segment tool. And then you're just going to simply start making your prickles. Okay? If at any time you don't feel like you can see yours very well, you can always zoom in so that you can work a little bit larger. Get all of those prickles drawn in how you want them. Wherever you would want them. It's up to you. And we're going to stop there. The next video I'll create the flower and some accessories and we'll upload to Artsonia.